Just a few tips about organizing your Google Classroom. So when you're in Classroom, you can see that I have access to many different classes, people who've taken this course especially, but you can see that there is a little 3 dots in the upper right of any class. And from there, if I am in a class that I don't want to be in anymore, I can click to unenroll that from that class as a student. I can also move that class, and it gives me the option to move it to the beginning or to take it after a certain class or to move it to the end. The other thing I can do is just click and drag it. Okay, so you can click and drag and resort in any way that you want to, or move something to the beginning in any of your classes. When you're within a class, note that from inside a class, you can click and drag things around as well. Now in the Stream tab, that is limited. So in the Stream tab, I can click here and I can say move to the top. But other than that, Stream is really meant to be in order of events. Okay. However, in the Classwork tab, if I want to move things around, I just click and drag them into the order that I want them. Okay, so really easy in your Classwork tab to reorganize anything that you've put in there. Okay, just wanted to give you that quick tip. Hopefully that helps to allow you a little bit more ease with organization in Google Classroom.